Hello and welcome to my podcast. Today I have a special guest, my twins, who works as a data engineer. Hi, Dwiki. How are you today?
Okay, I'm fine today. Uh, my name is Dwiki. I'm from Traveloka. My role is data engineer.
Uh, can you explain what a data engineer does on daily basis?
Data engineer is like you can um, arrange your data and the the data from the raw data to the clean data. Especially we build a pipeline like water pipeline. So the data is water and the pipeline like a pipe. So when a data from the source to the destination table, uh, we can serve the data to the data analyst or a data scientist. So for the raw data to the clean data, we can serve the data analyst to visualize that, and for the data scientist to get insight or to build a model uh, for the data, like the prediction or like dynamic pricing, maybe like that.
Oh, I see. Uh, what are the most important skill a data engineer?
So the important skill for a data engineer, I think, is a architecture design system. So for the architecture design system, like we build a pipeline or we serve data to a back-end engineer or a software engineer to uh, for them to consume that. uh, so we build a system like uh, for efficiently or for updated the data, so no lagging data for uh, the system or the visualist, for the data analyst, for the visualist the data cannot not yet lagging for the their visualization or a dashboard to presentation to present to the uh, C level or product manager like that.
Oh, uh, what tools and technology do you use most request in your jobs?
So the tools or the technology, we use a Python language and SQL language. And for the Python language, we using like we create a script for matching data to do migration, or we can serve the uh, Python Python framework like Fast API or Flux to the backend engineer to consume the data. So the backend only get the prediction or the modeling of the data using our API like that.
I see. Uh, can you give example for the your project? Have worked on the what your role was?
So
Example.
the the project like for a data engineer, the project like we create an API system. So the API system will serve the uh, modeling data. So the backend will send to the our API the request, and then we uh, process that, or we just add or uh, to attach the model and get the prediction. So the response will be the prediction or the decision for that data like that. So maybe just like dynamic pricing like that. So the dynamic pricing like dynamic pricing like if you search pricing ticket at any travel platform, you can see the pricing will increase or decrease. So for that we need the API service for the data. So from backend will get the data from our service because we deploy the model in our serving layer like that.
Oh, what are the biggest challenge you face data engineer?
So the biggest challenge I think just we do a sanity check or the latest update data. So for the data we didn't get real time data but near real time data. So not really real time but almost real time like that. So we do something the processing that data or anything else, we always to giving the updated data and for the to the data analyst or data scientist. It's too hard because we do almost like yeah maybe million or billion data we process. So we do the data must be efficient and under and fast or quickly lah.
Oh, how do you stand update with the last trend and advancement in data engineer?
So I think the data engineer for use or you advance your skill or digging deeper to your skill, I think you can see the like blog or technology blog or like GitHub blog or anything else or Netflix tech blog, or we can search in the LinkedIn maybe or Twitter. I think the Twitter is most not Twitter like X most fast updated for the information I think. And then for uh, for the data engineer also you must read a documentation for any tools or technology because the technology always change week after week or day or 2 days like that. And then yeah, it's it.
Okay. Uh, Last, what advice would you give to the some aspirant to become a data engineer?
Okay, so I think for to be a data engineer, I think you must using cloud service. I think so. For the data engineer, not always to cleaning the data from the raw data to clean data, but we also maintain the pipeline for service layer, and then you can be build a chatbot maybe or anything else. For we provide the data scientist for the prediction or their model, and then we provide the pipeline for data analyst to visualize the data to present to the product manager or the C level. So I think you must starting using cloud service or using creating the simple pipeline and anything else. But you can maybe you can from the beginner, maybe you can start from Python or SQL language like that, or maybe you can try to create chatbot. I think you can, because now like ChatGPT we will usually use in our daily life like that, or we can trying to know how to solve the large language model to the service, I think service layer like that. So the ChatGPT behind from ChatGPT is a large language model. So for LLM we know, if you know much better, I think it's a good idea.
Oh, I see. Thank you for the sharing experience with us. Okay, thank you. See you next time. And to your listener, we have enjoyed this episode. See you next time.